My name is Laurent Picard. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer for CELLforCURE, based out of Paris. CELLforCURE belongs to the Seqens group, which is a API manufacturer, chemical manufacturer. We have 15 years of existence, and we've been a CDMO. Then we were owned by a large pharmaceutical company to manufacture their CAR T. And more recently, in 2024, we restarted the activity as a CDMO. We can operate from phase 1 all the way to commercial and clinical trials, of course, late-stage clinical trials. I think our customers come to us for commercial experience, and this is really what we're known for, but we can also accommodate phase 1 early research because we also have a large process dev activity and can accommodate a lot of different modalities. I mean, CAR T, of course, because this is what we've been doing over the years, autologous CAR Ts, allogeneic CAR Ts, but also we have capabilities around iPSCs and MSCs. The site that we're operating is over a 10,000 square meter site, out of which 1,200 square meter is GMP manufacturing. We have 7 fully customizable GMP suites and a total of 45 clean rooms. 2026, we'll continue to build our expertise in and grow, especially our activity, CDMO activity. The site is fairly large. We have 1,200 square meter of GMP manufacturing. We have 800 square meter of quality control as well. We do 90% of our quality control by ourselves. And really what is really make this site really unique is the fact that we're totally paperless as well. And we have implemented an MES system that is actually enable us to do electronic batch release, and it'll be, of course, we're FDA compliant, EMA authorized, and we have a lot of capabilities along these lines. We also have implemented an environmental monitoring system using rapid microbiosystem growth direct system, which enables us to have rapid release because we reduce the time of incubation to 56 hours, which allow us to release very quickly. And in case there is an issue and there's a deviation, go back quickly to the issue.